Hello everyone, my name is Fasayo and here are the world cultural events and celebrations for the week of October 13th to October 19th. Monday, October 14th, we're celebrating Indigenous Peoples Day, Columbus Day, and Italian Heritage Day. Columbus Day is a national holiday in many countries of the Americas and elsewhere. We celebrate the anniversary of Christopher Columbus's arrival in America. Indigenous Peoples Day is a holiday in the United States that celebrates and honors Indigenous American peoples and commemorates their histories and cultures. We will also celebrate Italian Heritage Day, which celebrates the achievements and contributions of Italian immigrants and their descendants living in the United States, particularly in the arts, science, and culture. Wednesday, October 16th to 19th, we celebrate Sukkot. It's also known as the Feast of Tabernacles or the Feast of Booths. It is a Torah-commanded holiday celebrated for 7 days. Lastly, on Thursday, October 17th, we are able to see the full moon at 7:26 a.m. The full moon is considered the most striking of the lunar phases because during this phase, the most sunlight reflects off the moon on towards the earth. And that's it for world cultural events and celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Fasayo, and I'll see you next time.